Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a quick, easy DIY Christmas decoration with some Walmart items and a couple items from the Dollar Tree. The tinsel and the lights are from Walmart and the ornaments are from the Dollar Tree. So these are the lights out of the box. This is how you turn on the ornament lights, and you can swap out the batteries in there. Alright, I'm going to start wrapping the lights around the tinsel. I'm just going to take this first little end and kind of secure it on there because these are wire, it'll kind of hold pretty well. And I'm just going to loosely wrap the wire around the tinsel. Not too loose, but just not like super spiraled so that it's not too much in one area. I'm just going to kind of like align it with the tinsel, but also wrap it around. Alright, now that I have that all wrapped around, I'm just going to do the same thing at this end and kind of wrap a little loop and secure it. Alright, and these lights come with, has several different modes on there. The first mode is going to be the one where it changes based off of the sound in the room. And then I didn't have any ornament hooks or string, so I just used the plastic that came on there. And I'm just gonna take it apart and then use it to hang the ornaments on the tinsel. Alright, so I'm just going to use 2 command strips to adhere this to the wall, so I'm going to stick those on there right now. And this is how it looked when I hung everything up. Really enjoyed making this. It was super easy, super quick. And I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did enjoy it, make sure you leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. Happy holidays, and thank you for watching.